Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring the EFCUT C30 Mini Wood Chipper Shredder Mulcher, a powerful tool designed for efficient garden waste management. Featuring a unique cutting system with 2 blades and 4 hammers, it easily chips branches up to 3 inches thick into fine mulch. The 7 HP 212cc gas engine ensures reliable high-speed performance with a maximum of 3,600 RPM for quick shredding. This chipper includes a large feeding hopper and an adjustable discharge chute that directs debris precisely where you need it. Assembling is simple, and check windows help you replace blades faster, saving time and effort. Certified by EPA and CARB, it's perfect for forestry, landscaping, and green waste recycling, helping maintain a clean and beautiful garden. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.